How to fix MCB Live app not working. 2026 You open MCB Live and it crashes, freezes, or won't let you log in. Don't worry, here are the official fixes in order. Let's go. Welcome back, I'm Daniel. Let's get straight into it. Fix 1, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and try again. Fix 2, force close the app completely and reopen it fresh. Fix 3, clear the app cache. Go to Settings, tap Apps, find MCB Live, tap Storage, and hit Clear Cache. Do not clear data, only cache. Fix 4, update MCB Live. Go to Google Play Store or App Store and install any available update. MCB Bank officially confirmed in February 2026 that updating the app and clearing cache resolves most issues immediately. Fix 5, restart your phone completely. Turn it off, wait 30 seconds, turn it back on, and reopen MCB Live. Fix 6, check your phone's date and time. Go to Settings, find Date and Time, and turn on Automatic Date and Time. An incorrect date blocks MCB Live's security system from letting you log in. Fix 7, make sure your registered SIM card is inserted in your phone. MCB Live sends OTP only to your registered number. No SIM means no OTP means no login. Fix 8, uninstall and reinstall MCB Live completely. Delete the app, download the latest version from your official app store, and log back in. Fix 9, contact MCB Bank support directly. Call 111-000-622 or email info@mcb.com, PK from your registered number with your CNIC and problem details. Their team will investigate your account directly. Pro tip, make sure your TPIN is set up inside MCB Live. Without a TPIN, you cannot complete any financial transaction, funds transfers, bill payments, or anything else. If you forgot it, go to Menu, tap TPIN Settings, tap Forgot TPIN, and reset it via OTP verification. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more banking app fix tutorials. Which fix worked for you? Drop it in the comments. It's been Daniel, see you in the next one.